Morning guys, welcome to another episode of Greeny's RC. So today we are going out down to Reactive Terrain. Got some mini crawlers with us and stuff like that, so we're going to go and have a play with those. And we have a special guest on the show today, Lewis. As you can tell, he's made himself rather comfy in the van this morning. So we've been driving for about an hour. We've got about another hour left. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hi guys, we have arrived at Reactive Terrain. Blue's just eating a giant baguette. I'll show you that in a second. So we're gonna run some cars and have a play, and then yeah, hope you enjoy. Pressure's on now, James.
It might not be selected properly.
But you just get late, he doesn't know where to go though, you've got to turn around and come back.
Yeah.
You're cutting that short then. Okay.
And you can, I'll film you if you want as well.
Anyway, it's going.
Try different places to stand.
Hello?
Will
you fit?
I prefer it there, but I still can't drive it. Okay.
This isn't going to make it up there like yours did.
Yeah, you put quite a sand there.
You're going to have to get a build done, aren't you?
There we go. I knew it was you.
It won't be long to change again though. Yeah, well, we're going to redo that. It's the fact that you can drive anywhere. There is nowhere you can't kind of drive. If you can get up it or around it or over it.
Is that based on like, is that like the FMS? Yeah.
Top line, all the way up to the top there in Sandwich area.
Turn round, come back down. Yeah.
Or just launch it up. Launch it up and catch it.
Yeah.
I took the mud phones off and
Well, the thing is, the more times you come, it does get easier. Because you remember.
But the thing is, it's always evolving.
You get a camera crew. You have to. Otherwise you come here, if you come here 6 times in a year, you're going to get bored.
Sorry, just
We don't want you to get
just eat
bored.
him up. I'll
We want you to enjoy it.
He's been doing it like 100 times.
Too much fun. Uh-oh, he's stuck, he's stuck. Mind you, I'm not trying to. Okay, you've done it that way.
They won't get under there with two roof rack. But like,
Right, smaller on the back. Like the other side. It's only supposed to go left. Yeah, yeah. Oh, there. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we bought them and we knew we wanted to do this with them. But even without modifying the wheels or doing anything, it's still a bit of fun. You get 2 or 3 running around. It's good fun. But then everybody wants to put their truck around it. It's quick. Yeah.
G-Dog, can I borrow your grabber?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then just because it's a surf leg, as soon as you get 3 or 4 people on there, it's a slow race, but then all of a sudden it starts being a bit more competitive. Yeah, you've got to get one person go past somebody and then like, okay.
May have been just a bit of stone in one side. Oh, we had this before. Battery. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to look at doing mine and not the diff because I reckon that'll make it a little less skittish as well.
It's probably why when you go accelerating,
Yeah, it's because it's stepping down and just picking up.
No!
Yeah, you might find it won't go up there because you hasn't got much weight on the front of the Unimog at the moment.
Yeah. I'm just going to put that there real quick. Do you want the nudge?
Best way to probably tackle that if I take that away and then you can go up around the back of it and then you should be able to. That's a real
Hard line.
It doesn't look like it.
No, but because you've got the mud and then you've got.
can you do it? It's too wide, isn't it?
That's where everybody ends up. just hanging. That's why it's all got to be. Got to change it for like the vehicles that come in now. To make it more
accessible.
yeah, for people.
You're definitely going to do your one straight. I'm going to have a body of a bulldog stuff.
Yeah. Well,
I'll get that
I'll
one.
send one up.
Okay. And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
we'll send it to the park, so I'll make that.
Well, the bulldog is the class 2 bulldog. That's just standard. Yeah, you can make that as simple as you want. The short version,
Yeah.
but nothing like that.
Yeah, Sam.
So I've done the nearest front end for it as well, but when you build it, just let me know if there's any slight variance, because I've got taken the nearest measurements off their website.
Changing where we go.
I don't have any. But with a boa, so it's got a different boa than what I've got, because the nearest is slightly different.
Oh, okay.
The same with like the drive shafts. I noticed with the Mias, they actually come out quite a lot, whereas the SX24 sit back more. Or vice versa. The ISO one sit right, but I'll show you on the, when you bring yours in, I'll show you the difference. I'll show you the difference. But I've got a rear slider for it.
Yeah, you're like me, I'm all over the place driving it bloody thing. And as soon as I go to floor it, I just spin round because I've not.
I've got to build up the speed, haven't you?
Yeah, but I think the steering is very, very sensitive.
Yeah, it is. I can't judge that corner.
No. No.
Yeah, so I'm just going to try these.
The Unibog's not supposed to be on here.
Yeah, because I saw the other side.
There is a nice line on that corner.
I don't know, Adam wasn't so sure when we said
If you come from this side and
no, he said it was
do this there.
Ah, moved it. Over here.
Yeah. What's up? Organs now? Yeah, hang on. We'll go and grab that.
How many people come here?
We can edit that bit out, right?
Can I just do some?
Like one of these little
Yeah, it's not making it up that.
whether it's been like body modified or not, it's been interesting to me for a while.
Can I just follow the leader
I
with
think
you?
I got a concrete guard.
That's all right, Harry Potter.
And
You know what?
Don't do anything wrong.
Big front roof goes fast and carpet easy. Just because you've got, you know, on here they're good.
Sorry.
You've got a different heavier body on it, and you just take forward it to a point where it's, you know, just kind of, you can reach the top and you get the thing with it. You get 4 or 5 driving around that, that'd be hilarious. Yeah, yeah. Good chicken dinner. And the mini body, I want the banger up, you know, it's like banger racing and
Alright,
stock car racing. Yeah.
Wait, Harry, have you heard? Have you heard that thing? What is this? YouTube is way better.
it's so weird having a cold as well. It's so weird having a cold as well.
Hey?
That like
Yeah, they do. Hard. Yeah.
You want to
Yeah, come on.
a great them with that.
Give me a nudge now. Oh.
Well, my place there is different places. There's only one. I prefer where I
Yeah.
Is
I'll
that
do it.
tarantula?
I come with an experiment.
I think it is.
And if I want
Oh, tarantula.
Bro just got KO.
this corner.
That's not tarantula.
Sorry.
That's alright, not bad.
a tail wagging in the way.
I saw you guys.
Okay, now turn other way, turn other way and go backwards. Back now. Slow crawl. Oh, nice. No, stop.
Break it, Dad.
Forward.
Backwards.
You got it in the end. Where are you, my boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, anyway.
You okay? He's done. No, you got it. Stop. Bring it around.
Stand up. Stand up, Kelly.
I've cried.
I'll get you.
You want to go
Dearly made it.
Excellent. There's the traffic in it. Oh, you see, you fix it up and you can drive through and... It's all there. You know, there's a tunnel there.
Oh, right, okay. I didn't see that.
Yeah, you never... The whole idea is you can go from there, wherever you want.
Come back here.
You-
Look, you can drive through each other. You can drive all the way. Don't pick it up by the roof.
You don't have to pick your truck up.
Don't pick it up by the roof.
The idea is you don't have to pick your truck up. It's probably because you've got these smaller wheels, I would say. Yeah, I think that's a window because you look through it. So his man fell off. There's a set line play and you can do one line, I think. It's over to the left. Yeah. Yeah. I've got my suspension held down by his bands. Bit of stick to get up the first bit here. There's no weight you got on, isn't it? That's the thing. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. With a little med buggy, I've been trying to do it. I couldn't do it with that.
No, I mean like.
We'll go really far.
Wait a second, the last time I drank alcohol. Was that the last time?
Never to do it again.
Oh, you actually got one? Yeah, so it'll move out and in.
Because everyone's like, oh, it's really hard. And then I just throw it like nothing.
That's why we do a rolling chassis without anything in it, because wherever you go, that will kind of follow you. Sometimes. Harry, move back a bit. That's it. Give him a shot to move.
It was the wind chill.
No, look, Harry, that was dragging on the floor. It's fine.
Which is fine. It's just that.
It's trying to go up is very steep. Too steep. Too steep for a recovery truck. Not designed to go there.
I keep getting hung up on this brush. Sorry.
Right, move back a bit, Harry. That's it. Give him.
You should pull yourself around now, that's it.
My winch is saving me.
Yeah, well, now you've got to gently go down, gently.
Come up onto that branch there, that's it.
Oh! Very slowly.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Tried everything there.
Oh! Oh!
You need to make that a bit wider.
Yeah.
And this turn, yeah, you got no chance.
This is going to accentuate the
That tree in a way. Yeah, true, yeah.
I think it will probably do it, but
There you go.
Go on. Go on.
yeah.
No, I didn't know.
It's that tree. That tree wasn't there.
Tree, yeah. It would have made it perfectly. Oh!
Oh, don't break the mirror off.
It won't move. You'll have to just knock your front end
I'll
down.
say that as a win.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think I did it.
Nobody will know.
No,
I'll blur that bit out.
Yeah. Two bad points. One there, you go sliding around and go down. You go straight and then you go straight down. So it's designed that way, so you've got.
So you got to throttle control.
Yeah? No, you're alright. Just leave it on the side if you're finished, or give it back to G-Dog.
Can I have a go on that one? Thank you.
It's really super, Daddy.
Yeah, if you mash the accelerator, then yes, it will be very quick.
So you're on 50% at the moment.
Yeah.
On the peak one, you could be on. Which one you want? I've got to turn that way, not this way.
Because I use it for a lot of work.
No.
So I've got 220.
Way too tiny and crunchy.
Right. I need to find
And
my
you just
phone.
click on pay out there. You know, pay out.
I don't get
web page.
on mine. It don't.
I don't really want to cash it
No,
out,
don't
so I'll
cash it
leave
out.
that out. But yeah, and then you. Some of them take.
I have trouble turning my phone on. Don't
Some of them can take 6 months to come through. Like I've still got some. Like and one took forever. I had to raise 3 complaints. Or some.
a camel on a camel. So the camel truck on a camel. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. Starts to relax. And come back to the life stresses. Oh. Right, where's the truck going?
Sorry, Adam, I don't even know if that gate's actually doable.
That's all right.
I could be doing
I put them here.
I put them here.
Oh, they're in there. Okay, no, that's fine.
Yeah, I wanted to move them out of the way. Sorry, I didn't know where the base of the other one was. I brought the one that kind of
Yeah, no, that's fine. I just so I can make sure that
the wheels are.
Just slowly moving that bottom gate out of the way.
Okay, I'll have a look. If you don't turn the buttons off, you end up frying it.
Do you think Daniel somebody said he's a good driver? Yeah, he's having a little comp. He's having to go in one car, so.
Where's the wheel? Bottom bit. White one.
Something to the top
I
corner.
think it's up there charging.
Next one's up there.
Yeah.
Not there charging.
I'm not going to be able to get that back end
Are you
around.
not cold? You want
Oh, he's got it up there,
No,
charging.
that's
Oh,
it.
right, okay.
That's alright.
I think someone did it back earlier.
Yeah, no, that's okay. You don't normally charge them in the truck.
It's the same width as I've got it.
That's right. You ain't getting around that with that cone there.
Yeah, 4-wheel steer would help then.
You just clipped it this side.
Yeah. I was going to try and be cheeky and actually try and
There you go.
go over.
You didn't touch it. You didn't touch it.
Does that count?
Is that allowed?
I mean, I went through with the front.
You didn't touch
Hi guys, just realised I never actually did a close to the video, so I'm kind of doing it now 2 days after we come back. But Lewis was at the end of his tether, so he'd had enough that day, so I didn't want to put the camera back on, and I didn't have a chance when I got back, so I'm doing it now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out the Reactive Terrain guys. What they've built over there is pretty impressive, and they are constantly changing it. So they were talking about ripping some bits out and rebuilding and doing other bits instead, so definitely worth looking at their stuff. They've also got their own chassis and parts and stuff like that, and do a lot of 3D printed stuff, so definitely worth checking them out and seeing what they've got on their website. Me and a friend are actually going to get our own, buy one of their rigs, their comp rigs, and put our own electrics on it and stuff like that. So I'll do a build of that when I eventually get around to doing it. In terms of the micro crawler course, it's been done now for about 3-4 days. I'll just turn you around quickly. It's dried up nicely, so I'll try and get this painted over the next few days and do part 3 of that video. Hope you've enjoyed that series anyway. But yeah, it's looking really good. So I will leave it there. Please forgive me for my attire, as they say. I've just come in to feed the guinea pigs. So, but yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.